Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and your finger. This improves sensor accuracy. Once the phone is charged and your finger is clean, open settings and go to Security and Fingerprint or Biometrics. Make sure you create a PIN or password first because the system requires a backup method. Follow the on-screen prompt to start fingerprint enrollment. Tap Continue and place your finger on the sensor. This initial step registers the center of the pad, so be precise and steady to capture a reliable baseline. Now you move into detailed enrollment to maximize recognition. Place your finger on the sensor repeatedly, shifting pressure and position each time. This teaches the algorithm multiple contact points. Once done with the pad's center, rotate the finger to capture edges, top, bottom, left, and right, so partial swipes will still unlock the phone. Add 2 or 3 distinct fingerprints from your primary hand and include one from the opposite hand for convenience. Make sure each capture is comfortable. Inconsistent pressure reduces match rates. Finish by testing and securing features tied to the fingerprint. Lock the phone and unlock it 5 to 10 times using different grips and angles because real use varies. Then enable fingerprint access for app lock and payments where available, and confirm the backup PIN works. If the sensor fails to recognize you, try the troubleshooting tip. Clean the sensor surface, delete the problematic fingerprint, and re-register it with clean, dry fingers. If that still fails, update the OS or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.